Good day guys, I'm Hasan and I'm from Cad Gizmo. And friends, in this video we are going to draw this shape in AutoCAD. So let's start the video. And guys, before I start the video, please like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to see the latest updates. So guys, first we draw this circle which have the diameter of 40 units. Draw a line here. And draw a circle with the C enter, and we give the diameter with the D enter and give the value 40. Like this, and change the layer and the line type scale. Now we draw the outer circle which have the diameter of 80 units, type C for circle and type D for diameter. Now we give the value 80 units. Now we give the offset of 70 units, like this, and we give the offset 12 units, like this, and we draw this circle with a diameter of 10 units, with the diameter of 10 units, and we draw the outer circle which have the diameter of 20 units, diameter of 20 units, like this, and we draw this circle with the radius of 35 units, and for that we use the 10 radius. Select this circle and give the value 35 and use the trim tool TR double enter and trim the circle like this. And now we draw this circle with the radius of 100 units, and for that we select the 10 radius and 100 units, and we use a trim tool to trim this circle like this. And delete this circle. And now we make the left side of the shape. Give the offset 70 units and give the offset 12 units, and we draw the circle with the diameter of 10 units, and the outer circle has the diameter of 20 units. Now we draw this circle which have the radius of 35 units, 10 radius and 35 units, and with the trim tool we trim the circle like this, and this circle has the radius of 100 units, and for that we select the circles and give the value 100 units, and with the trim tool we trim it like this and delete it. So guys, in this way we make our shape. And guys, if you have any question related to this video, then please leave a comment or contact me on WhatsApp. And guys, take care of yourself and see you soon in the next video.